G'day guys, this is basically part 2 of showing you that I've installed the MRC sounder 1909 into my Bachmann analog gp40. As you can see here, the speaker sits absolutely perfect in the bottom of the frame there, plus the digitrax DN135D decoder sits in there. This is the top of the chassis. That's that hole I was telling you about where the decoder sits in it. And then the bottom of the frame where your speaker goes. So at the end of the day, all nice, clean and tidy, sits there absolutely perfect. Inside your shell, you've got 3 little clips just inside there. Just snap them off with a pair of pliers. They aren't needed in any shape or form for doing this exercise. Okay, let's see how we go with one hand trying to put this together. Not too bad. Then, with your tank, I'll drill some holes. I'll put a thin layer of tissue here. It's because your speaker is magnetic and you don't want it picking up any crap and getting stuck to the speaker. You don't have to drill holes in your tank, it's your preference. Right, let's see how we go with this. Done. Just like that. Okay, let's see how we go putting this on the track. Not bad, I think. Came out pretty good. Done deal. Alright. This is my preference of horn. And then of course, the shutdown mode. Well, that's basically it, really. Now that people know that you can do this, yeah, I've been quite busy. Got quite a few to do at this stage. What's the latest on the layout? Nothing really. Nothing's changed that much. Oh, yes, I have moved my silos, my grain elevator to the back, and the new station in the background there, and a workshop over here which is going to have a chimney and a welding light flashing in there with my trucks parked out front. Otherwise that's basically it, really. And then working out my third section on the bottom. Okay guys, well I hope that was helpful. Any comments or questions you want to ask, just ask. Thank you. All the best to you guys. Catch ya.